All my instructions you can find under my videos. In this video I want to show you my vehicle. It's a Russian armored passenger carrier, so very nice vehicle. It's a BTR-80. So let's see this model from each side. As you can see, the model is really nice, really like it. Actually, that's my old model, but the view of the model is really pretty nice. I really like it. So let's see it. Let's see the model first of all from each side. From this side, from the other side, back side, front side, above the vehicle, and under the model. So also let's see the functions, the function of the model. So you can rotate the wheels of the model. Also you can rotate the turret, the module. Just let's see it, just like that. As you can see, it can rotate in 360 degrees without any stacking. Very nice. Also we can move the gun barrel. Let's see it, just like that, up and down. We can open the doors from the sides. That's a special compartment. Let's see it, just like that, and another one. Also there is the special compartment for the troops, for the military troops inside. Different digitalizations here inside of the model. Also we can open this part like that. Here we can open, and also we can open right here, just like that. Yeah. Also I want to mention that that there is the suspension in this model. Yeah, there is a special suspension, as you can see. Very nice decision. You will see it when you will purchase the model. You will see that there is the suspension of this model. Very nice suspension. Really like it. And actually that's all. So let's close all doors of the model. Which kind of the models you would like to see from me, just let me know in comments below. Check out my other videos. See you next time. Oh yeah.